In front of me is Xiaomi 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner of it. If you can't see it, select this gear instead. Now click on voice typing in keyboard settings and tap on the gray switcher next to use voice typing to activate it. When you finish, just go back to your keyboard and click on the now visible microphone icon. Then select while using the app in the pop-up, and after seeing Speak Now command, start typing. When you finished, just click on the same microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!